Shiraz is the city of flowers, poetry, gardens, and ancient monuments. Greenery. Social interactions. Limitless. These are the things that make the architecture of Shiraz and make Shiraz one of the greenest cities in Iran. Architecture become cultural act. Horizontal lighting. Light. Shadow. This project is located next to Zargari Street and near Zargari Square. The initial description of the project includes a land with an area of 5,300 square meters located between a dead-end alley and a one-way alley in a residential context. This commercial complex is to be designed in 9 floors on the ground floor and 8 floors underground, and it consists of 7 parking floors, 4 commercial floors, cinema, food court, an amusement park, and 4 office.
According to Shiraz context, we recognize 2 layers. One is the green layer of the city and 2 is the historical layer of the city. To answer in an architectural way to these layers, we cut the project pocket into 2 segments. One cultural zone representing the historical layer of the city, and the other one is the commercial zone, which is representing the green layer of the city. We name these 2 as action and reaction. Action zone is the one that influences the city, the cultural zone, and the reaction zone is the one that gets influence from the city, the commercial zone. To represent the green layer of the city, we come up with a paradigm shift to intervene the circulation toward the city to connect inside and outside, to achieve an interaction between inside and outside. But we have a kind of quality in ancient bazaar of Shiraz that we describe it as 3 keywords: shadow, light, and horizontality, together with a modern exposure to the city. Like the first variant, we divide the project into 2 segments. We start again with bazaar notion. Analyzing the bazaar morphology, there's a pattern that is recognized about contribution of mass and void. There's a cluster of mass arranged around central void. The central void, that is actually the central axis through bazaar, is formed around this arrangement. In designing process, we start with void instead of mass. As a result, it's void that shapes mass. To generate the void, we take the outline of ancient arches in bazaars and revolve it in 360 degrees to form a city plaza and a yard. Then again in upper floors, we come up with an extruded arch form void to organize the form into two towers. The void makes it possible to have inside terraces, providing a central vertical garden. Mass comes out from the void.